Just want to give a brief update on a lot of severe thunderstorm warnings that we have right now, but something needs to be said about them. Can't just let them slide. So I'll give a real quick update. I do have stuff to do, so I'm gonna need to get off in a little bit. But I do want to give a quick update on the storms that are pushing through the area right now. We have a severe thunderstorm warning. One was just newly issued. I'll get to that in a minute. It was the first one that I was talking about coming out of Jonesboro. We're not talking about it on here, but talking about it off camera. Coming out of Jonesboro. This is for the Martin, Union City area. This is for about east, south, northeastern Union County, central eastern Obion County, and western Weakley County. This also does include the Martin and Dresden area. I would like to remind you that we do have a severe thunderstorm watch. I'm looking for rotation. I don't see anything now, so that's a good sign if there is anything to it. But again, we have a severe thunderstorm watch for the Boot Hill, about all of Arkansas, most of Tennessee, at least the western part of Tennessee. Yeah, we are still in a 2% chance of severe weather. A 2% chance of tornadoes, actually, I'd say. We are in a 15% chance of severe weather. In fact, I can show you the outlook if you want me to. But again, also parts of western Kentucky. This does include you. This does include Fulton, Hickman, Carlisle, Graves, Marshall, Callaway, me. So Callaway, Trigg, Christian, Todd County in Kentucky. And it also includes the western half of Tennessee. And all of Arkansas that we cover. And the Boot Hill. And also New Madrid and Mississippi County in Missouri. All right, yeah, I'll show you the outlook real quickly here. Hopefully you can see it. I know we have a lot. I know we have a lot on right now. We have a lot on display. So, but let me know if you can see it. That's a slight risk right here. A marginal risk from about Mount Vernon to St. Genevieve, just south of St. Louis. We have a slight risk for the yellow is a slight. A slight risk is from Carbondale south, and then the enhanced risk is from about Little Rock to all the way down back to Texas. Yeah, in fact, Sunday's going to get really active. That's the outlook. Hopefully you can see it. And the slight risk goes all the way from Dallas, Texas to about Richmond and all the way up to Cincinnati, Ohio. So that's pretty... this is a pretty significant day for areas south and east of us, but right now I guess we're kind of lucking out on the major severe weather. But let's go and talk about this new severe thunderstorm warning, and we have a lot to talk about. Most are in Arkansas, coming into Mississippi, and coming into also Tennessee. Again, we have a new severe thunderstorm warning. I'll pull that up. It was just for something that I was talking about. This is for southeastern Greene County, Craighead County, northwestern Mississippi County, and southwestern Dunklin County until 1:30. Yeah, it is for sure, for sure. This is moving east at 40 miles per hour. We also have a severe thunderstorm warning for our southern counties. In fact, one just got included into the Memphis area. So in Shelby County, you have a new warning. I'll pop that up until 1:45. I'll talk about the rest. Yeah, until 1:45. I'll talk about the rest of the warnings. Then I'm going to get off here because I really need to do stuff. So, but I'll be back on if there's more warnings. Okay, and we'll track this at 40. You can see moving into the Boot Hill. It's going to be moving into Kennett pretty quickly, and then maybe it'll clip Caruthersville and portions of northwest Tennessee. So Ridge, 1258, Jonesboro, 102, Needham, 111, Brooklyn, 114, Dixie at 123, Macy at 129. Red Onion at 135. Leachville 136. Cardwell at 141. Arbor at 145. And I'll give you one more town. Hornersville at 153. And again, that severe thunderstorm warning is for, I guess, just the northwest parts of Mississippi County, the the western parts of Duncan County, southern part of Greene County, and I believe that's Poinsett County right there. But Poinsett County, you're probably in this warning too. You are in this warning actually, because I see a bunch of warnings in so we just maybe had an extension on something. I'm not sure about that. Again, we do have the possibility for rotation with these storms today, but it is not as likely as, say, the hail potential or the wind potential. And we just had a new warning. So I'm going to take a look at that here. Oh, I think it's just an update. Okay, it's just an update, actually. Okay, and let's talk about this severe thunderstorm warning. By the way, we also have a severe thunderstorm warning. It's just an update. Don't worry about it. This is for Poinsett County in eastern Arkansas. And told you Poinsett County was in a warning. This is for Poinsett County in eastern Arkansas and then northern Cross County until 113. This is also moving east at 30 miles per hour. So if it holds together, it would be moving towards, it would stay south of Blytheville, but it would head into Mississippi County. So I need to check that off here real quickly. All right, let's talk about this new warning that I'm going to have to sign off because I really need to get stuff done. But again, you can see these pretty hefty storms right here. I would imagine that storm in Jonesboro has at least 1 inch hail. Let's try to back that up again. Get this rebooted on here. I know sometimes it does do that. I think we just had a lag in the radar system. All right, so I would not be surprised if we have at least probably over 1 inch hail in Jonesboro, because that looks maybe just a little bit larger than quarter size. But I want to check velocity on this just to make sure we're not seeing anything. And we are seeing a little rotation with that storm in Harrisburg, Arkansas, that is headed towards Harrisburg, Arkansas. That's something we're going to have to watch here. But you can see some very strong winds heading into Early and then heading into Parkin right now. Some very strong winds, possibly 65, even 70 mile per hour winds. And this would head towards Crawfordsville, Terrell, Clarkdale, Marion, Birdsong. Those are the areas that be impacted. But Parkin and Early, get ready for some very strong winds, possibly 70 miles per hour. And again, parts of Shelby County, this will head towards you. North of Memphis, you are included in this. And then a very small sliver of Tipton County, you are also in this. So, I should say Tipton County. Yeah, Tipton County, you are in this. Just a small sliver of it. So, that's what we're looking like right now. We have more storms back to the west. But that's really what's going on right now. If I need to come on for anything else, I definitely will. But until then, I'm going to sign off.